Question number 1. Which is India's national animal? Answer: the Royal Bengal tiger. Question number 2. When was Jana Gana Mana adopted as the national anthem? 24 January 1950. Question number 3. Where is Shantiniketan located? Answer: Kolkata. Question number 4. Who established the Ahom kingdom? Sukapa. When did Assam come under British rule? 24 February 1826. Who was the quizmaster? Mr. M.K. Borua. From whom the British government took over the administration of Assam? The Burmese. Name the national tree of India. The banyan tree. Question number 16. 1. Doksuri studied in class 8. Doksuri goes to school by bicycle. Konkemili works in the Panchayat. The name of her school is Disangmuk Janajati High School. The contest the Panchayat election, one has to be 21 years old. Question number 17. Make negative. 1. She makes doll. She does not make doll. He has scored a goal. He has not scored a goal. Question number 18. Make interrogative. 1. She has a pen. Does she have a pen? Question number 2. Write your answer. Do you write your answer? Question number 19. Fill in the gap with appropriate article. 1. She always read the Assam Tribune. 2. He came here an hour ago. 20. Fill in the blanks with appropriate preposition. He is angry with me. We are proud of our country. The shoes are made of leather. Correct tense. Honey tastes sweet. Honey tastes sweet. I already complete my homework. I have already completed my homework. It rain now. It is raining now. 23. Translate into Assamese. 1. It has been raining for 2 days. Joa 2 দিন ধরে বরখুন দি আছে. The boys are playing football in the field. লৰাবৰ পথাৰত ফুটবল খেলি আছে. Ram did not come to school yesterday. Ram যোৱাকালি বিদ্যালয়লৈ অহা নাছিল.